the best choice for high quality and high performance in construction. One of the strong mining and trenching equipment in the world. Ace Hammer, the pride of the Korean hydraulic breaker industry. Ace Hammer is a company that specializes in hydraulic hammer production, which continuously grows in the Korean basic construction equipment market. Since its establishment in 2004 in Incheon, the center of the hydraulic breaker industry in Korea, Ace Hammer has grown continuously and is currently supplying high-performance hydraulic breakers necessary for public works projects, such as construction sites, stone quarry sites, and resource recycling sites. Currently, Ace Hammer has an annual production capacity of more than 4,000 breakers, and its brand value is recognized even by the world market. Ace Hammer is carrying out ceaseless R&D, excellent quality control systems, and customer satisfaction services, and it is strengthening its competitiveness to emerge as a multinational attachment company in the future. We conquer the future with our breakers. Ace Hammer. Ace Hammer always provides its customers with only the best products. Ace Hammer, which minimizes defects and maximizes efficiency, has the following advantages. The products of Ace Hammer are recognized as the smartest construction equipment solution because of their high-quality processes. Ace Hammer always considers customer satisfaction as their top priority. First, Ace Hammer reduced the burden of their customers by implementing a policy on reasonable pricing. As a result, it guarantees the highest economic feasibility against cost by extending the life cycle of their products. Second, Ace Hammer is equipped with a professional quality control system. Ace Hammer is operated by a prompt feedback system that solves issues and concerns within 48 hours. In addition, it provides immediate feedback using online channels such as SNS, Talk Messenger, and emails. To help the product management, Ace Hammer provides an easy service safety manual that can be easily understood. Moreover, it is operating its International Service Training Program and Productivity Improvement Program. Third, Ace Hammer aims for continuous cooperative relationship. When customers order products or when there is a need to replace spare parts, its business team responds to it quickly by promptly contacting the relevant branch office or warehouse so that the customers do not have to wait for a long time. In addition, Ace Hammer systematically provides the details with regard to the spare parts replacement period, the method of use, and the product warranty period, as well as follow-up services to its customers. Fourth, Ace Hammer seeks for shared profit with its sales agents and distributors. For this, a reasonable price discount system and a cash compensation program for a certain sales quantity were arranged. For more details, please contact its head office. Ace Hammer carries out site management, which can improve customer satisfaction, and future-oriented technology management. A definite solution in attachment industry. Ace Hammer will lead the new construction culture.